Thank you for joining us this morning. Let's go to Huliso Holtina Pukuli Taslapi Akucha on Toklo. Huliso Holtina Pukuli Taslapi Akucha on Toklo. Huliso Holtina Pukuli Taslapi Akucha on Toklo. We'll be looking at the emphatic marker, OKE. And across the page under idioms where it says OKE, it says marker of emphasis. It means surely or of course. If you look on page 295 in your dictionary, if you don't have your dictionary handy, just jot the page number down and you can look later. OKE, it's a particle, means it is. From the letters O and KE. KE is final. KE is a final marker. To understand OKE for the emphasis, it simply puts emphasis on a word. We have these markers that are going to make stress, put emphasis on something that's being said. In English, we do this by the sound of our voice. So understanding OKE would be putting stress on what is already said and say it is. In the book, it says Choctaw has a number of suffixes that indicate mood. One of the most common is the emphatic marker OKE. It is suffixed to the tense marker at the end of an utterance. Verbs and other predicates in the present tense use H to join to OKE. English has no similar way to indicate emphasis. English speakers must use adverbs and voice tone to express this concept. And to understand the predicative H, you might refer back to page 22. Page 22 will give you some of the uses for the predicative H. But here it tells you it's going to use the predicative H to join it to HOKE. And many times, because of the use of the H, you're going to see HOKE separate from the main word. For instance, to say look at the first example that says Chimachokma, and then it says Achokmahoki, to say real good. How are you? I am fine. I am fine. Not just real good, I am fine. So I tend to use the Amachokmahoki to make it a full sentence. I stress the use of full forms of words because many dialects of Choctaw tend to shorten words, and it kind of loses the enunciation in a lot of words. So use the full form of words and try not to fall into a habit of making shorter words. So the proper here would be amachukmahoki, amachukmahoki, because the same person isn't going to say to machukma achukmahoki. Achukma amachukmahoki would be a response to a question. So I've added to achukmahoki. Amachukmahoki. I am fine. Example B says Palaska ilapat champulihoki. Palaska ilapat champulihoki. Putting stress on champuli. This bread is good. It is tasty. Champuli, meaning it's the taste of something is good. See, nitakmat lashpatavuki. Here is the example showing you that it is suffixed to the tense marker at the end of an utterance. This does have a past tense marker, but attached to it is the emphatic marker, hoki. Since it is attached to a past tense marker, the use of the H is not necessary. But with achukma and champuli, the H would be used here. And again, the way we write the emphatic marker is the HOKE after a predicate, and we write it separately. A lot of you may be familiar with the term Chahta hoki. Chahta, I'm Choctaw. Chahta hoki, I am Choctaw. The HOAKE gives emphasis to what's being said. Do you have any questions on this part? Do you have any questions? Okay, under Chianok Funkahon. Under Chianok Funkahon. Your instructions are to read the following story and answer the questions about it. Reading through the story, beginning with the first one, says Ankiat Okata Chito no Watiatok. Nitakuluash Yama Iatok. Chuka Osi Okata Chito Bilinka Ma Chompatok. Hoshi Lamaya Chuka Ma Anuka Ashtok. Ankiat Nani Huklit Bisatok. Nani lawa huklituk. Himakma nani ma huklituk. I'm sorry. Himakma nani ma huponituk. Okay, I'm going to read through this again, and I would like for you to repeat. Ankiat ukhata chito no what iatuk. Nitakhulo ash yama iatuk. Chukka usia ukhata chito bilinka ma chumpatuk. Hushi lawayat chukka ma anoka anshatuk. Ankiat nani huklit bizatuk. Nani lawa huklituk. Himakma nani ma huponituk. Okay, how was your reading? Good, very good. I like how you critique yourselves. Very good. Okay, there are 6 questions I would like for you to send the answers to. First one, Ankiat katimma iatuk. Tuklo, katimikash iatuk. Tuchina, chuka usiat katimma. Ushta, natahush chuka anuka ansha. Tathlapi, Ankiat nata huklit pisatuk. Hannali, nani katohmi huklituk. Okay, and I want to remind you that you don't have to translate your answers. The story is written in Choctaw. The questions are in Choctaw. So all you need to do is send Choctaw answers to the questions. and I'll give you about, let's do 10 minutes first. I'll give you 10 minutes, and if everyone's not finished in 10 minutes, then we can add some more time. But I want to finish this today. If I can have your attention for just a minute. This is the new Choctaw Dictionary. It's going to be, I forget what they call it. Seems like it was a dedication. The new dictionary will be at 2 o'clock today. But it's finally been printed. Chahta Anumpa Tasholi Himuna, the new Choctaw Dictionary. Just wanted to share that with you. Okay, I'm going to carry this over until, come on in, I'm just about finished. Yeah.
Okay, are you going my way today or no?
No.
Okay, I'll come back when you say.
Okay, give me about 5 minutes.
Okay.
I'm going to continue this until Wednesday. There's one here that is written all in English, and I had asked that your answers be in Choctaw, the stories in Choctaw, questions are in Choctaw, and your answers should be all Choctaw. For a few minutes, and I spent a little bit too much time out in the hallway, so I do apologize, and we'll go over this when we come back on Wednesday. So I will see you guys then. Chahta, Yakuki.